Hi there. I want to invite you to a very special event with Hope Yoder. Hope Yoder here. She's coming to our event center in Brea, California, September 12th through 14th. And she has so many different techniques to show you there. It's a 3-day event. You don't want to miss it. So Hope, tell us a little bit about what you're going to be doing this.
All right. Well, I'm really looking forward to coming back. I've never been to that store. We're going to be making, first of all, everybody makes everything, and they're 2 winter warm and cozy projects. I want you to know that no matter what machine you embroider or sew on, you'll be able to reproduce these products and make all kinds of gifts for the upcoming winter holidays. And you're going to learn a lot of new techniques that'll apply to garment sewing, to quilting, to crafting, DIYing. So right now I'm in the middle of making one of the projects. So we have this cute little Are We There Yet pillow, and we've got some channel matchstick quilting. This is all done in the embroidery hoop. We've got beautiful applique chenille, and then some mylar, and then we've got this really cool new product that, look at that, it looks like wood paneling. And then how to perfectly place some text wherever you want it. And zipper, this is the easiest zipper in the hoop, you guys. You could take this and then later make your own pillow and put a different design on it. So kind of check this out. We've got the mylar technique started, and this is a really cool, fun way to add some sparkle and shine. And then let me show you this little stocking. Now this could be for your favorite person, your pet, whatever, but we've got some more chenille here. Now if you come in real close, one of my new favorite things is some dimensional embroidery foam. So we've got that height like you guys see when you go down the mall and you look at the sports caps. I've always wondered, how do they do that? Well, we're going to show you and give you lots of tips on how to make it look professional grade quality. And then we've got some rip away applique with our heat transfer foil. You're going to learn how easy it is to make freestanding rickrack. Y'all, rickrack is back and it's hot, and we're going to give you some really good ideas to incorporate that onto your quilts or your garments. And on the back, we've got this nice new chenille. Now, lots of techniques, but in addition to that, we're going to talk about recycling, repurposing, and converting designs. Converting jeans. We're going to show you how to hem a pair of jeans in one slick motion. We're going to show you some cool applications for jeans that are trending now with a new scalloped hemline, how to sew on a button. So if you're coming and you want to find out the basics to the cool techniques that you can learn and apply to anything, please sign up for the event. There's just a few seats left, and we can't wait to have you there.
So I have a question.
Yeah, question.
So what if you don't have any experience, or you don't even have a machine?
Okay, that repeat his question. No experience, no machine, no problem. Come on down. We've got a team coming, and we love to sew, but we started out not knowing anything either, and it's so easy.
Some days I'm not sure I do either.
I know, it's so easy. I promise you guys are going to have a lot of fun, and we're not going to leave anyone behind. You're going to have a great time, and you have a beautiful staff of well-trained people that sew and embroider and quilt, and we're bringing a staff of people as well. So I think even someone without any skills that just wants to see if it's for them, this is the fun place to be, and we're going to have a lot of classes. You know, I get asked all the time, how do you do embroidery on a baby onesie? Because they've done it and it looks horrible. Well, we're going to go through each day some stabilizer tips. We're going to show you our epic fails, because you got to see the bad stuff to know how to do it good, and we're not afraid to show that. We have jeggings. Everybody wants to know how to, you know what jeggings are?
You know what, I'm thinking, I
don't. Okay.
I'm trying to process this.
Okay, do y'all know what jeggings are? Jeggings are the super stretchy jeans that everybody wears now. They're comfortable. Where you probably wear Levi's or Wranglers, they don't stretch. And you know what? You have to stabilize those totally different. Because if I was going to put roses
I'm not
and
sure
embroider them up George's pants,
that's not going to happen.
Okay, those don't have any stretch. But you guys, we're going to have fun. You're going to be relaxed, you're going to be on vacation, and you're going to leave able to apply all these techniques. And
now, I also want to talk to the person who has a machine at home that they haven't opened up for a while. You need some inspiration to use that machine.
Yeah.
And you know, once you get that spark of excitement, it's going to change your life. It really is. I mean, I actually embroider at home myself, and it's something. There's nothing more fulfilling than making something
from nothing.
for someone else too.
Right.
That's usually what you do. So you need to come. This is the type of event that will spark that interest. And Hope's coming all the way in Florida, right?
Sarasota, Florida. I'm like traveling to the other side of the universe to come towards you. And he's right, gift giving. This is the time of year we're getting into gift giving. And these projects would be perfect for you because you need to not forget about you. You know, we give so much away. You got to make something special for you. So you've worked hard.
Exactly.
Have you worked hard all year? Let me put it to you this way. I know you guys are taking care of your family or yourself. You have worked so hard. You deserve, no, wait a minute. You need to get away with a bunch of friends that have the same passion that you have. And we're going to bring even more passion and inspiration to you. So how's that?
That's awesome. I mean, I feel guilty. I should come myself.
You should. I'm thinking we need to hook you up with some embroidery on your jeans. If you bring me a pair of jeans, I'll embroider them in the middle of your event.
What do you have there?
Okay, these are like presents. Aren't they like winter presents?
Those are the kits that they'll receive.
Those are the kits, and we're going to be working with some of the brand new cork. It's a super thin, lightweight cork, and we have some special tips for the cork. We have Mylar. These kits are so cute. They're like presents.
So everything you need to have a great, fun-filled 3-day event will be provided.
They don't need to bring anything.
No, just themselves.
Yes.
Yeah, just
a smile, maybe a friend.
Yeah,
It's always
bring a
better
friend.
to sew with a friend.
Go to our website, So Many Events. That's SEWManyEvents.com. Sign up now. It's at our new Brea Event Center. If you haven't been there, lots of space. We've got a new AV system. You'll be able to see and hear from all different angles there. This is one event that you do not want to miss, and I hope to see you there.
All right, bye-bye.